In this tutorial, you will learn how to earn money on YouTube using simple videos. This type of video is fully compatible with the YouTube Partner Program, and you will get monetized fast. You can build a strong monthly income with this method. I convert an article or blog post into an amazing video. It is not requiring any advanced video editing knowledge. Only you have to follow few simple steps to get the finished video. Let's start the process. Step 1. Write article and correction. First, you have to write a small article or script for your video. Don't copy someone else's article as it is, because you may not eligible for the YouTube Partner Program due to copyright content policy. You can gather information from different articles and write a unique article. After finish the writing of the article, you have to check grammar and spelling mistakes. You can use this tool. This is a free tool that corrects all grammar mistakes and spellings. Check the description. I indicate all the tools that used to in the video tutorial. Also, additional alternative methods that you can use to create this type of video. Copy and paste your article here. Set your goal according to article type. You can see it is highlighting the grammar mistakes and spelling errors. You can simply correct them by click on the highlighted phrases. After correct all of the mistakes, copy the article to the text editor you preferred. Step 2. Check plagiarism and rewrite. This step is additional. If you have written your unique article, you don't have to do this. But you use scraped content from other sources, it is better to follow this step. There are so many plagiarism checker tools. I will indicate all of these in the article. Copy and paste your article into this text editor. After that, click the Check Plagiarism button. It will take some time to check the whole article. Copied content indicated in red. You rewrite the plagiarized text manually or use an automated tool to do it. I use quite an automated tool to rewrite the plagiarized part. Copy only that sentence to rewrite. You can replace it with rewrite content. Now the script part is over. We have a unique article to convert into video. Step 3. Convert article to video. Many different websites convert any article into a video. I use a free version here, but if you're interested in high-quality video creation tools, check the description. First, you have to sign up for this platform known as Lumen 5. After login into the platform, you will able to select a template. Select a template you preferred. There are different frame sizes for different platforms. We have to select YouTube here. You have to copy and paste the script here. If you have a blog, you can enter the blog post URL here, and it automatically grabs the content directly from the blog. After pasting the content, it automatically separates the sentences for each screen. Everything is good, click the Convert to Video button. It takes few seconds to create frames for your script. You can see here, it automatically grabs the media for your video. These videos and images are copyright free, you don't have to worry about copyright issues. Sometimes, it not adds every sentence to the video. Then you have to manually add the frames by clicking the small plus icon next to the non-added sentences. You can check each of these frames by clicking the play button. If you are not satisfied with automatic media footages, you can easily replace that. Select the frame that you want to change. Then switch to the Media tab. You can select the media from here or use the search bar to get accurate clips. Also, it able to add your own media clips or images using the Upload tab. After uploading, click on it to add to the frame. Go through all the frames and see whether it is fit to the screen. After finished with media setup, you can add background music to the video. Switch to the Music tab and select your preferred one. Now we are finished with the editing. Click the Publish button to convert the video. It is processing on this screen. After that, it will automatically download. If not, you able to download it using the download button at the bottom. Step 4. Add voiceover. It is very important to add a voiceover for your videos, because YouTube doesn't like videos that are not any voiceover. You can add it by recording your voice, or you can use natural voiceover software. These text-to-speech tools convert your script into a natural human voice. There are few different free text-to-speech software, but they are not given natural voices. You can buy a tool like Spicello for a one-time payment. If you have interesting, check the description. I will give a discount link for you. After you download or record the voiceover, add it to the video using video editor software like Filmora or any other editor. If you did not know of editing videos, you can use Bitnami. It is a completely automated tool that helps to convert an article into a video with a natural voiceover. You don't have to add voiceover using different software. After all, you will get a finished product like this.
The noises are primarily mechanical or robotic in nature. Many individuals are concerned about how their voice sounds when they wish to start making YouTube videos or make videos with voiceovers. You might feel uncomfortable recording your voiceovers, don't speak English well enough to record a voiceover, or maybe don't have a good microphone or the required equipment to produce high-quality voiceovers. This is the best solution for you.
If you have any issues regarding the tutorial, open the question directly on the MineX community forum. Because most of the YouTube comments are missed from us. Hope you enjoy the video. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. Thank you for watching MineX.